Let's be honest for a second. The cloud is a terrible name. It makes it sound like your data is floating in the sky. It's not. It is sitting on a hard drive, inside a metal box, in a very cold room, somewhere on Earth. To understand Azure, you have to stop thinking about software and start thinking about logistics. Today, we're looking at the physical map of Microsoft's empire. First up on the map, regions. When you build an app, the first question isn't, what code do I write? It's, where does this live? A region is just a specific spot on the globe containing data centers. Microsoft has over 60 of these spots, more than anyone else. Why does location matter? 3 reasons. 1. Speed. Light has a speed limit. If your users are in London, but your server is in Seattle, there is a delay. You want your data close to your customers to kill that latency. 2. Laws. Data sovereignty is real. Germany has different data laws than the US. Regions let you keep legal data inside legal borders. And 3. Survival. Spreading out means if one area has a bad day, the whole system doesn't crash. Now, let's zoom into the next layer, availability zones. Think of the region as a massive industrial park. The availability zones are separate buildings inside that park. Crucially, these buildings don't share utilities. They have independent power, independent cooling, and independent networking. Why? Because backhoes cut cables. Transformers blow up. If you put all your servers in one building and the power cuts, you're offline. But if you use availability zones, you're spreading your risk. If Zone 1 goes dark, Zone 2 and 3 barely blink. This is how you get that industry-standard 99.99% uptime. It's not magic. It's just not putting all your eggs in one basket. But what if the problem isn't just a power cut? What if it's a hurricane or a massive flood that knocks out the entire region? That is where we need region pairs. This is your insurance policy. Microsoft pairs regions together, ensuring they are at least 300 miles apart. So, East US is paired with West US. If a disaster wipes out the East, the West is far enough away to be safe, and your data fails over there. Microsoft also uses this for maintenance. They never update a pair at the same time. They update one, make sure nothing breaks, and then update the other. It's a safety net for your safety net. All right, here is the cheat sheet for the exam. Regions are geographic locations. You pick them for speed and compliance. Availability zones are separate buildings within a region. You use them to survive local failures. And region pairs are 2 regions 300 miles apart. You use them to survive major disasters. It's all about geography. The closer the data, the faster it is. The more spread out the data, the safer it is. Now that we've mapped out the land, we need to build something on it. Next episode, we're unpacking the big 3 services: compute, storage, and networking. I'll see you there.